Get ready to discover the magic of Disney Plus, now included with select Digicel Plus fiber plans. To activate your Disney Plus subscription with us, you'll need to open the My Digicel app on your mobile device. Tap Menu at the bottom of your screen to switch from your mobile to your Digicel Plus account. Then tap the menu bar at the bottom to select Disney Plus. You will then be taken to a page to confirm your subscription. If your home fiber plan includes Disney Plus, the Activate Subscription button will be highlighted. If the Upgrade Now button is highlighted, your home fiber plan does not include Disney Plus, but you can still add it to your plan by contacting us directly. To confirm your subscription, tap Activate Now, and you will be sent to the Disney Plus webpage to create your account. And just like that, you can enjoy more of the best entertainment anywhere you want on supported devices. If you already have a Disney Plus account, just follow the same steps as before. And when you get to the Disney Plus webpage, simply enter your existing login details. Now, your existing Disney Plus account is covered by your Digicel Plus fiber plan. It's time to unlock more entertainment with Digicel Plus.